a day in your matchmaking life, your working day.
Oh
Like,
boy.
and is
Days.
there a smart match app involved or not? But overall, like, they love to hear how other matchmakers, spend their days.
I'll tell you. So for me, I do this pretty much 24/7. I am on my laptop or my cell phone. I love what I'm doing so much. And I feel like I have a tremendous responsibility to the clients that trust us to find them these matches. So I am on my computer 24/7, going through, Matchmakers Alliance, going through my database, making sure that I didn't miss anything, emailing clients, making sure that I'm checking in with everybody, reminding people of appointments. Tiana's day is a little different because she's marketing. We've also been planning our first pickleball speed dating event. So, Tiana, I'm going to let you talk about what a day is like.
Do you
Yeah,
play pickleball?
no.
No,
No, but everybody in America does.
everybody
Not
in
yet.
America does. It's becoming like
Everybody in America plays
it's
pickleball
an
right now.
obsession of some sort. Interesting. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yeah. So for me, this has been a definitely a learning curve. Previous to when I started my other businesses, which was 15 years ago, it's all about social media now. And again, I'm not a social media person. I'm not a tech person. I know of many businesses who get involved with these companies where they pay for leads and do this and that. I had no interest in that. I really wanted it to grow organically. So I've been spending a lot of time on Facebook, joining different groups, making our reels, putting them out there, answering questions, answering DMs. For me, the most
Advertising
important
our
thing,
events.
planning the events, putting the
Yeah.
events out there. But the most important for me is that I really want it to know that we want to be inclusive yet selective. So everybody who shows any sort of interest goes through me. And I want at least a phone call. And then they get in person with Marnie. So it's really a kind of baton handoff. So as far as the Smart Match app, once I get somebody with interest, I give the information to Marnie and then I make notes in Smart Match app. It's probably something I should talk to you guys if there's a better way for me to do it. But I do make notes about initial communication. I make notes and upload a file when we've got an executed contract. And I'm very limited in that. So far, it's working very well. I would say, and there's probably another, maybe even a way to do this. If there was a way when we went into the client list to categorize the different clients by their colors, but in different pages, it might be a little clearer as our leads list is going to grow. And I want to get away from this because I still do a lot of this. And I am also using Google Docs for the first time to create leads lists and things like that. And then once I kind of get a confirmation, I get them into the app. And once I get them in the app, I get rid of the paper and I get rid of the Google Leads.